Daddy Dino, where are you? Here I am.
How do you? Okay.
Okay, say agay,
Agay.
agay,
Agay.
agay.
Agay. My teeth. This hurts.
Welcome back to our channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. But before ko start yung vlog natin for today, let me just say thank you very much sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa channel namin. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwalang 6K na tayo and hindi ko talaga to in-expect. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. At sana hindi kayo magsawang sumuporta sa channel namin. Hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa o hindi ko man kayo ma-replyan lahat. But sana nararamdaman nyo na appreciate ko kayong lahat. So today ay Thursday pala. Mike and I are not working today. It is currently 10:45 ng umaga. Late ko na palang din-drop si Paris kanina sa childcare. Kasi minsan lang akong mag-leave. Kaya nagstay ako in bed until 8 o'clock. At pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking buhok ay everywhere kasi hindi pa nakapagsuklay ang atin nyo. Pasensya na naman. Pero ngayon si Mike ay merong appointment para sa hairdresser niya. Kaya idadrop ko muna siya. And then I'll come back, I'll get ready, and then I'll go for my appointments as well. Kaya I'll see you soon. Ayan guys, sa labas na kami. Andiyan na si Mike. Say, good morning daddy.
Good morning daddy.
Magpapakat si Mike ng kanyang hair. Ayan, and very noisy ang ating silingan. So, ayan, na-drop ko na si Mike dyan. Magpapagupit lang siya. So, now, it's currently, ano na nga ba, 11:03. Kailangan ko lang magmadali kasi malalate na naman ako sa appointment ko nito. Hi again, friends! Ayan, naka-aura na naman sa atin yung ngayon. It is currently 12:04 ng hapon. And guys, the reason why hindi ako nagtatrabaho ngayon is that nag-file ako ng leave kasi meron akong appointment sa dentist ko at 2:40 ngayong hapon. Then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, since wala naman akong trabaho today, i-insert ko na lang yung ibang mga appointments ko para naman magawa ko siya sa isang araw. So, since 2:40 pa yung appointment ko para sa dentist ko, nag-book ako ng appointment for my optometrist. Ayan. So, i-check natin yung mata natin kasi last time na pumunta ako doon, sabi nila na expire na daw yung prescription ko. So, kailangan kong magpa-check ulit. So, meron akong appointment at 12:40. So, in 40 minutes, kaya kailangan ko nang magmadali. Baka malate na naman sa atin nyo. So, after ng optometrist, siguro kakain lang ako ng lunch doon. Tapos, straight na ako sa dentist. I will just quickly show you my outfit for today. So, ayan yung outfit natin today. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? So, may pa-char-char tayo today kasi alam nyo naman, minsan lang tayo makalabas. Kaya pag lumalabas tayo, make sure na presentable naman tayo. Ayan. Oh, diba? So, set pala to siya. Ayan, brown, tapos black lang na shirt sa ilalim. Tapos, ito yung shoes ko. And then, tingnan niyo yung buhok ko, oh. Kasi nagmamadali na ako ba, baka malate ako. Kaya binulibod ko na lang ang aking hair ng ganyan. Para messy look siya ba, ganyan-ganyan. Oh, pero messy talaga siya. Wala lang talagang time na i-straight or i-curl-curl ang hair. Kaya ginawa ko na lang ng ganyan. Ayan. And then, we'll finish our look with this bag. And then, I'm gonna go now, guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye! Dito na ako sa labas and naka-antira pa tayo ngayon kasi hindi tayo makakita. Alam nyo, ang atin nyo ay blind pa. Walang antipara. Walang araw ngayon. Oh, very dark. Kahit 12 o'clock pa. Anyways, magdadrive na sa atin nyo guys. Kaya I'll see you soon. Kakatapos ko lang sa aking optometrist appointment. Ayan. Tapos ngayon, bibili lang ako ng something for lunch kasi sobrang gutom na ako, guys. Andito tayo bibili ng ating lunch. So, naka-order na ako sa isang Japanese na, guys, na shop. And in-order ko yung salmon chahan. Yung parang fried rice lang siya, pero salmon yung sahog niya. So, hintayin natin. Andito pala, tingnan nyo, naka-close lahat. Ayan. Kasi hindi pwedeng kumain dito. Kailangan kong maghanap ng pwede kong mapagkainan ba. Siguro pupunta na lang siguro ako dun sa likuran kasi meron silang dun, parang upuan. So, doon na lang siguro ako pumunta. Alam nyo guys, pinagtitinginan ako ng mga tao kasi sa atin yung may hawak na kamera. So, iniisip nila, ano kaya ginagawa ng babaeng to? But anyways, laban lang tayo guys para sa ating vlog. So guys, something crazy happened. So, nandito na yung nabili ko for my lunch. And nakatanggap ako ng tawag from the dentist. Kasi sabi nila, 1 o'clock daw yung appointment ko. Sabi ko, no, it's 2:40. Ayun, sabi nila, gusto mong i-reschedule na lang. Sabi ko, hindi pwede kasi nag-off ako for this. Tapos, ma-reschedule. Kailangan ko na namang mag-off. Sabi ko, is it okay if I'll come now? Kasi mga 15 to 20 minutes drive lang naman yung papunta doon. Sabi niya, okay, can you get here before 1:30? Sabi ko, it's impossible kasi na ngayon, 1:15 na ngayon. So, alangan namang maglipad ako papunta doon. Kaya sabi ko, how about pag baka just after 1:30, baka 1:40 na ako makarating dyan. Sabi niya, it's okay, just come here. So, dito na ako sa labas and kailangan na nating magmadali. Oh my God, hindi na ako makakain ng lunch nito. Hi friends! Nandito na tayo sa sasakyan. Kakalabas ko lang from the dentist. And pasensya na if weird yung pagsasalita ko ngayon kasi in-injection na nila ng anesthesia. Ay, anesthesia. Bisaya kayo, anesthesia. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog ulit kanina nung pagdating ko dito kasi nagmamadali na talaga ako. Ewan ko kung anong nangyari, pero yung nasa reminder ko kasi 2:40 yung appointment ko. Tapos 1 o'clock, mga 1:10, tinawagan nila ako kanina nung bumibili ako ng lunch ko. Sabi nila, am I still coming? Sabi ko, well, my appointment is not until 2:40. Sabi niya, no, it's 1 o'clock. Hindi ko alam talaga kung anong nangyari doon. Maybe, some sort of misunderstanding. But, it's okay. I'm here now. I'm done. That's the main thing. And, it's currently, anong oras na nga ba, be? It's currently 2:46. Ngayon lang sana ako pupunta dito kasi 2:40 yung appointment ko. Sa isip ko ha, hindi ko alam kung sino ang buang, ako o sila. But, the main thing is, natapos na. So, yung pinagawa ko pala sa dentist guys is yung dito sa top left ko ng ngipin, may cavity na siya. So, before, maliit pa yung parang nafe-feel ko na parang bangag bitaw dito. Tapos, sabi ko, kasi uuwi nga sana kami ng Pilipinas nung May, last month, sabi ko, since pupunta naman ako sa dentist ko sa Cebu, doon ko na lang gagawin lahat yung mga dental services na kakailanganin ng aking mga ngipin. Tapos ngayon, hindi nga kami nakauwi dahil sa COVID situation. Kaya napag-isipan ko na dito na lang gawin kasi baka lalong lumalim yung yung hole sa ngipin ko. Kaya sabi ko, I need to do it now to avoid root canal. Kasi alam nyo, yung root canal is very expensive. Kaya yung ginawa ko, nagpa-feeling ako. So yung pasta ba? So yun yung ginawa ko and it feels so good now. Yan, Before, very hait siya, very sharp yung dito ba, kasi nga, may na siya, may bangag na siya. So, magkano nga ba yung feeling dito sa Australia? So, nag-google lang ako guys, sabi dito, in Australia, a filling can cost between 100 to 300 Australian dollars. Pero yung nangyari sa akin guys, kasi, alam nyong very wise yung atin yung pagdating sa mga shopping ng mga ganyan. I bought this voucher from Groupon. So, pakita ko yung app. So, yan yung app, guys. Groupon. Yan yung ginagamit ko pag may appointment ako sa mga paganda ko, health, and everything. Kasi, ang dami-dami talagang options. And this one, yung sa akin, ayan, Dentist on Highfield Park. Ayan siya. So, hindi siya malayo sa amin. Mga 15 minutes drive lang siya. Yung presyo ng voucher na to is $189. So, may dalawang option siya, guys. Dito nakasabi, 1 filling with dental examinations and x-rays, $149. Tapos, yung 2 fillings naman is for $189. So, yung binili ko is yung 2 fillings. Kasi feel ko nakakailanganin ko yung 2 fillings. So, yun yung ginawa ko. And you know what, guys? Yung 2 fillings pala ha, hindi yun siya ibig sabihin sabihin na 2 ngipin. Ito yung sa akin kasi medyo ano na siya, parang malalim na siya. So, it counts as 2 pala. Kasi, ewan ko, hindi ko makakuha yung explanation niya. Yung sa gilid, sa harap, ganun-ganun. Pero that's fine. I think $189 for this filling. I am happy with it. Kasi, nasabi ko naman kanina, it's between $100 to $300 ang isang filling sa Australia. Kaya, paying $189 is not bad at all. Tapos, what's good about using Groupon na app is that sometimes they do 10 to 15% off. So, yung ginawa ko, di ba sabi ko $189. Ngayon, may 10% off sila nung binili ko to. So, it means may $18.90 na discount. So, ibig sabihin, hindi talaga ako nagbayad ng full amount. And there's another thing pa pala. Ay naku, may matututunan talaga kayo sa akin pagdating sa shopping. Meron pa akong app na tinatawag na Shop Back. Ayan. So, itong app na to, it gives you money back. Kahit konting-konti lang siya, but at least meron siyang maibabalik sa'yo. Shopback looks like this. Ayan. So, ito yung talagang palagi kong binivisit. Ay, nalobat na si ate. Palagi kong binivisit na mga apps sa AliExpress, eBay, Groupon, and ASOS. Pero dito, sabi ko na nga ito yung Groupon. Right? So, yan. Pag open mo ng Groupon, sinasabi dito up to 5% cashback. So then, you could click continue to app, and then open niya yung Groupon na application sa phone mo. Tapos pipili ka kung anong gusto mo. Ayan, may mga laruan, may mga massage, may mga service para sa sasakyan mo, like everything under the sun nasa Groupon. Sabi ko kanina, 'di ba, 10% off from Groupon, tapos gamit ko pa yung Shopback na up to 5% off. So hindi ko na alam kung magkano binayaran ko, but I am 100% sure na hindi talaga full price yung binayaran ko. Kasi that's one thing that I hate about shopping, guys. It is paying full price, and ayoko talagang magbayad ng full price. Kaya anything that can help, yung mga apps na mga ganyan, use it kasi very, very helpful talaga. And also, I'm going to tell you about my optometrist kanina, guys. So, yung ginawa ko, nagpa-check lang talaga ako. Gusto ko lang i-update yung aking prescription. Tapos, yung nangyari, I found out, ayan, nandito yung prescription ko. Before, yung power ng aking mata was negative 2.75. Ngayon ay naging negative 3 na siya. Sabi ng optometrist, it's not a big difference, so I've got nothing to worry about. But if I needed to get a new glasses, then I can do it. But for now, yung glasses ko naman is very clear pa naman, so wala pa naman akong problema, so hindi ko yun gagawin muna. But the pricing for the eye test here in Australia, guys, is free. As long as meron kang Medicare card. So, if you are a permanent resident or a citizen, then wala kang kailangang bayaran. And yan yung tinatawag nila na bulk billing. So you're paying $0 para sa eye test, which is really good kasi very, very helpful kaya yan. I wish yung dentist din, pero no, it doesn't apply sa mga dental. So, yung optical lang talaga. Na-amaze din talaga ako sa gamit ng mga optometrist kasi alam nyo, nag-take sila ng picture ng aking mata. Tapos, nung nasa loob na ako with the optometrist, parang in-explain niya sa akin, ito yung mata mo, ganito, ganyan. But alam nyo, I learned something very, very interesting from the optometrist kasi pinakita niya sa akin yung picture nga ng mata ko, and then sabi niya, my eyes are healthy as if. Like, it looks really, really good daw. Tapos, nagtanong ako sa kanya, sabi ko, if you're saying that my eyes are healthy, bakit kailangan ko magsuot ng glasses? So, sabi niya, even na nagsusuot ka ng glasses, it doesn't mean na your eyes are unhealthy. Sabi niya, minsan, hereditary lang nga daw. It's very, very important talaga na alagaan natin ang ating katawan. Kasi pag pinabayaan natin yan, there's a tendency na lalong lumala and mas mamahal pa yung babayaran mo. Kaya act straight away pag may naramdaman ka, pa-check mo kaagad kasi pag hindi mo alam, baka later on na pala yun maganda. It's good to always find things in early stage para hindi na lumala pa. Anyways guys, andito na ang aking lunch. Hindi ko nakain kanina nga, 'di ba? So, nag-start na akong magkain-kain dyan. Ayan. So, yan yung binili ko na salmon chahan from the Japanese restaurant. Ayan. Tapos, kakain na ako ngayon. Pero, still weird pa rin yung pakiramdam ko dito sa ano ko. Parang hindi pa nagwe-wear out yung anesthesia. Kain na muna ako guys ha, kasi gutom na talaga ako. By the way guys, 3:12 na pala siya ng hapon. I'll just gonna go drive home now. Diba si Mike hindi nag-work, so ando na siya sa bahay naghihintay. And then, in a couple of hours, pipick upin na namin si Paris. So, I will see you again guys very soon. Hi guys! Andito na si Mike. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang new haircut. Hang on. Ayan. So, still mahaba dito, but then sa gilid, kinat lang yan. Nandito kami ngayon sa shops kasi after ng dentist kanina, umuwi ako. Tapos, pinick up ko lang si Mike. Nandito kami ngayon sa shop kasi may gustong bilhin si Mike na pampaganda niya. Pampaganda niya. And then, sabi ko, dito na lang kami sa Daglen instead of Chadstone kasi mas malapit to sa childcare ni Paris. So, from here, we will pick up Paris. So, now, we're just gonna go there, guys. So, Chemist Warehouse. Ayan, we finally found the one. Nakabili na rin kami finally. Ngayon pupunta lang kami ng Priceline Pharmacy para bumili ng aloe vera gel. Kasi gusto ni Mike yung paano sa mukha ba, pang soothing and hydrating sa mukha. Kaya dito kami. Ayan guys, babalik na kami sa sasakyan. Bumili pala ako ng ano nito guys, taro milk tea. Ayan, kasi hati kami ni Paris.
Do you have any points?
Yeah. Pay with the card. Unavailable ang card is wala kaming piso. Hey, where's your water bottle?
Oh yeah.
Where?
Oh yeah.
I have it in the bag. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Kangaroo.
What's that? Where's the car? What's the color of our car? Brown. Is that brown?
Black.
It's black. Dito na ang ating bata. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Playing kiss me. Good girl.
It's you.
Who's this?
You.
No. What's this one?
So.
Who's that? Lola.
River.
Yes.
You.
Nak, how many cats, Nak? Can you count?
It's more. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Well done.
Try more. Cut fly down.
Yes, the cat fell down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Let's try that. Mommy, there you go.
There you go. Oh, that's the one. What happened to the cat?
Fly down the water.
Fall down the water. Why?
Fly down the water.
Yeah, why did the cat fall down the water?
Oh no.
Why?
Oh no.
Because
Train coming.
of the train coming. That's why.
They run away.
Yeah, they ran away.
Train coming.
Train coming. They ran away. So the cat fell down. Who's this?
It's mommy.
It's mommy cat help the baby cat.
It's daddy.
It's daddy.
I can't fly down.
Yeah, the cat fell down, but mommy and daddy helped the cat. But what is it now?
A book in the book.
Yeah, broke in the book. Did you break the book?
Okay, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I'm in the book.
Oh no, broken the book. Okay, nagisi na. Put it back na. Put it back. Put it back. Good girl.
No, put it in a bed. It's you.
Lulu.
It's Wawa.
It's Lola.
A pig.
Pig. There's no pig man.
It's pig.
What's this? Ah, pink. Puang man mga bungol. Mayaw inanoy.
Cat fall down.
What's the sound of the cat?
A cat fall down.
Oh, cat fall down. What's the sound of the cat now?
Meow.
Yeah. Do you want Mama to open it, Nak?
No, please. Apple.
Okay, Paris, open.
No, my apple.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. Mama, open it. Mama, open.
No,
No. What's that, Nak?
it's red.
What is it?
It's white.
It's red and it's white.
No, it's white.
It's white, is it?
It's red.
It's red and it's white. Do you want to say hi, Nak?
Oh, mommy.
Oh, what happened? What did you do?
I'm hurting.
No, hurt you. Oh. Show me, B. Where's daddy finger? Where's mommy finger? Show me, B. Show me. Daddy.
No, it's daddy.
No, this one is daddy, the big one.
It's baby.
That's the baby. Yep. Can you tell mama? This is daddy.
It's mommy.
Mhm.
It's Baka. It's baby. It's sister.
And she's sister. Where's sister?
Mm.
This sister. That's right. Daddy finger, daddy finger.
Daddy do.
Our daddy dino. Daddy dino, daddy dino, where are you? Here I am. Here I am.
How do you?
Mommy.
Mommy do,
Oh, Mom.
my do. Yeah, you. Hi, hooray. How do you?
Well done, Baba.
Baby sir. Yeah, you. Hi, yeah.
How do you do? Paris, Paris.
Yes, mommy eating milk.
You don't eat the milk, Baba. You drink. Drinking milk?
No, it's white.
Huh?
No, it's white.
It's white.
It's red.
It's red. Drinking milk? No, Mama.
No,
Telling lies.
mama.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha. Mommy,
Yes, Paris.
mommy,
Yes, Paris.
eating cookies.
No, Paris.
Sir,
I'm sure, Paris.
open your
Ha ha ha. Agay.
Okay.
Agay.
Baby,
You say agay ba? Agay.
It's pet hurting.
Saan lagi pag-ingon agay? Agay.
It's pet hurting.
Agay.
It's pet hurts. Okay.
Okay. Say agay.
Okay.
Agay.
Okay.
Agay.
Okay. My hurting. Pet hurts.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.
Swipe.
Please
Please.
subscribe.
Swipe. Mommy.
Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa aming kwarto and nakapambahay na tayo guys para relax na ang ating feeling. It's currently 7:22 ng gabi and Mike is currently cooking the food for dinner. And ang aking anak ay nandito na naman nagsinamok. Hala nak, ayaw i-open nak. Hala, wala na. Tanawa yung gibuhat o, yung gi-open ang foundation sa yung mama. Yun lang yung ganap ko for today, guys. I'm very happy naman sa aking leave, no? Kasi I think I've done the things na kailangan ko talagang gawin. Hindi ko alam kung kailan na naman ako magkaka-leave. I can always use my leave naman, guys. But I try very hard na hindi ko gamitin. Gusto kong gamitin siya in bulk para next time pag uwi namin sa Pilipinas, marami akong annual leave na matitira ba. Nako. I think hindi pa yata open yung Australia for this year para lumipad ng ibang bansa sa I'm not sure. I'm very sad with that one actually kasi gustong-gusto kong umuwi ng Pilipinas for Christmas. Kasi hindi nga natuloy yung biyahe namin last month. Anyways, we have to be safe first. So, that's fine. Pero alam nyo guys, miss na miss ko na talaga yung family ko. Buti na lang meron tayong mga Facebook, meron tayong Skype, meron tayong mga video call para naman mabawas-bawasan yung pangungulila natin ba. Anyways, friends, i-end na natin yung vlog natin today. Kasi, ayan, i-spend ko na naman yung time ko with Paris and with Daddy Mike after ng dinner namin. And si Paris pala walang childcare bukas kasi Friday. So, you're staying with Mama tomorrow na? You're staying with Mama. Hala, nagpagwapa na ang bata, oh. Uy, say hi sabi tita. Hi, tita. Say hi, tita. There, oh. Look at the camera. Say hi, tita. No. Ang bata. No. Wala siya sa iyang mood. Once again, guys, a massive thank you sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat ng nag-subscribe sa ating channel, maraming salamat. Lubos kong ikinagagalak ang pagdami ng ating subscribers sa ating channel kasi hindi ko talaga ini-expect ito. I am very happy, guys. And alam niyo, sabi ko nga sa sister ko sa Pilipinas na magpamisa ba kami. Alam niyo yung magpamisa, guys? I don't know how you say it in Tagalog. But in Bisaya, magpamisa ba ka nang ngalan pasalamat. Hindi ko alam anong word sa Tagalog niyan, guys. Basta maglagay lang kayo ng kunting pasasalamat para sa simbahan. And sabi ko nga sa kanya, gawin natin yun. Kasi sa dami ng blessings na natatanggap namin lately, I feel very grateful for it. Kaya maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. And sana wag kayong magsawang magsuporta sa ating channel. And I'll try my best na gandahan ko pa yung mga vlog natin para ma-enjoy nyo naman yung mga videos. I'll just do a quick shout out, guys, sa mga gustong magpa-shout out. Shout out to Risa Quasito. Shout out to Densi Loco. Eileen Gagno, Leia Bustamante, Elma Consal, watching from Saudi, hello. Shout out to Zandra De Locenas. Shout out to Teresa Leonor, Shofa Jen Vlog, Megan Earl Gabuli, Madam Por Vlog, Ria Sicharon, Violi S. Shout out to Aida Jarin, Crisilda Abila, Ilani Taranza, Chanting, Chanel Canao, Lynn Ahmad, Karen Dimaano, Wild Rose, Jessica Cantil, Sulieta Ang, Rico Balericia, Euphrasia Bainan, Sharon Ando, Emilda Gidalanga, shout out to Lizelle Irabon, Rosana Hidalgo, Filipino-American Love Story, shout out Dai. Shout out to Nympha Mortensen, Grace Puli, Life by Menens, Marilyn Drudge. Shout out sa ating friendship Janet Gordon, Red Sibial, hello Dai, Lizelle Iga, Odessa Donghil, Mirasol Dayao, Rosemary Ramuar, Rosario Sabalye, hello po. Shout out to Alexa Lasala, Gorgeous Me, Hello World, Leonardo Acosta, Mylene Franco. Shout out to Margaret Bayubay, Lorna Marshall, May Gao, Gladys Mandanhuyan. Shout out to Shirley Mapilisan, Mary Jane Labarca, Mines Uslakab. Shout out to Lovely Ugat, Jeline Aguilar, Eliza Samiliano, Yashi Beauty Vlogs, Marivic Oleo, Jang Redelias, Divine Delgado, Lovely G, Joris M, Vicky Cash. Shout out to Cactus PH, Maricel Mantilla, Carmen Antonio, Manilene Almonia, Pau Moja, CBCV Channel. Shout out to Happy Little Rose in Australia, Jin Dilay, Madeline Garciano, Madam Labi, Hope Isabel Uhiman, Ravelyn Lagitin, Aid Martinez, Promise Rodriguez, Mary Grace Palin, CSZ26, Rose Halop Vlog. Shout out to Thelma Torres, Rebecca Zuniga from San Diego, California. Hello po. Shout out to Eleanor Tanutan, Jennifer Alano, Sherlita Girala, Luz Cook USA, Simply Liz, Jimalyn Javier, Dave Timkang, Cielo Riza Lopez, Rachel Ferrer Caragay Aquino, and of course sa ating mga mahal na friends, Loli's family, Jess Shill, Amy and Anthony. Hi guys sa inyong tanan diha. That's about it for today's video, guys. Again, once again, hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo sa lahat ng mga lovely comments. It makes me really happy kahit busy sa work. Gusto ko talagang mag-vlog para may ma-upload ako kasi namimiss ko yung mga lovely comments nyo. Kaya maraming salamat. Sana hindi kayo magsawang sumuporta sa channel namin. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.
Mommy.
Bye! Bye-bye.
Mommy.
Bye na! Say bye-bye! Anak, say bye-bye!
I'm going to the beach.
Where are you going?
I'm
Where are you going?
going to the beach.
Going to the beach.